Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is another method to find the solution of a system linear equation. But the only thing is that Cramer's rule only applies if the coefficient matrix is non-singular. It can only be used if the matrix is non-singular. What do you mean by non-singular? It means that determinant is not equal to 0. So it must have a unique solution. As we know that the system of linear equation can have a unique solution, can have an infinitely many solution, or no solution. So Cramer's rule only applies if the solution is a unique solution. So you can directly find the variable where the formula is determinant of AI divided with determinant the whole matrix, determinant of the matrix. Okay, let's do question 1a. Solve the system of linear equation for 1a. Okay, first you have to find the determinant of a. So negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 0, 5, 1. Okay, let's say I'm using the last row because there is a 0 here. So negative 1, 1, 2, 5. Oops, sorry. I want to use the last row. So 0, 0, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then I have 5, negative 1, 3, 4, 2. And then 1, negative 1, 2, 4, 1. Check the positive, negative, positive sign. So we have positive, negative, positive here. So my determinant is 0, 5, negative 2 minus 12, negative 14, plus 1, negative 1 minus 8 is negative 9. So here I get 61. Okay, let's say using this formula, I want to find x1. So to find x1, I have to find a1, determinant of a1 divided by a, determinant of a. So how do I find determinant a1? If let's say this is 1, so you have to look at the first column, where the first column is negative 1, 4, 0. So you have to replace with the value here. So 8, negative 3, negative 11. But the second and third column remains. Okay, you have to find this determinant. Let's say I'm using the first row. So the determinant is negative 122. So let's say I want to find the value for x1. So it is determinant a1 divided by determinant a. So negative 122 divided by 61. So my final answer is negative 2. If let's say I want to proceed with to find x2. So my x2 would be determinant of A2 divided by determinant A. So how do I want to find determinant A2? I have to look at the second column. This is the second column. Sorry. Just now it is 2, right? Okay. I have to check the second column and replace with the value of B, which is just now is 8, negative 3, negative 11. Okay, so I have to replace the second column and the first and the third column remains the same. Okay, I have to find this. Okay, let's say I use the first column and then I minus 4, 8, 3, negative 11, 1. So my determinant here is equal to negative 183. So determinant of A2 is negative 183 divided by determinant A. Determinant A is 61. So this is negative 3. So my x2 is negative 3. And then we can proceed for x3. How to find the determinant of 3? Okay, this is the matrix. So first and second column remains. But the third column you have to change with negative 3, 8, negative 3, 11. So this is the, if let's say this we represent with ax, ax equal to b, so we have to represent with the column b here. So find the determinant of this. Let's say I'm using this column. 8, 5, negative 1 plus 0. So my determinant is equal to, you get 2, 4, 4. So A3, sorry, x3 is determinant of A3 divided by determinant A. So 244 divided by 61. So your answer is 4. So x1 is equal to negative 2, x2 is equal to negative 3, and your x3 is equal to 4. So you have solved the system of linear equation.